Steady, keep moving.
Almost there, just a few more steps.
That's it, easy. Nice and slow. You're doing well, just a little further.
Slowly now, keep it steady on the left.
Confirmed, moving back 2 centimeters.
Stop.
That's a good boy. Keep it up.
Hi.
Almost there. Easy steps.
Herd 7, maintain velocity.
Approaching waypoint 3. Clear the path.
Buen trabajo, vamos.
Keep them moving smoothly toward the chute.
Ensure the foam coverage is uniform across the hindquarters.
Yes, calibrating the pressure now for the rinse cycle.
Guide them clear of the threshold.
Securing the environment lock.
Easy now. Move along.
Door closing. Locking confirmed.
Ensure the edges are aligned before placing it in the gold tray.
Yes, the next piece is ready. We need more yellow components at station 3. The rinse cycle on the prototypes looks satisfactory.
Agreed. Increasing the flow rate by 5%.
The rinse cycle on the prototypes looks satisfactory.
Agreed. Increasing the flow rate by 5%.
Temperature steady at 180 degrees Celsius.
Acknowledged. Check the steam pressure on chamber 3.
Lower the frame to 15 centimeters.
Acknowledged. Immersion sequence initiated.
Temperature is holding steady at 985. Good, the leather looks perfect.
The next one goes here. Okay, I have the burgundy sheet ready.
The emerald green is within tolerance, matching the panel exactly. But this burgundy seems slightly off shade under the calibrated light. Let's verify the delta E value.
The reading is 25.12, 10.55, minus 5.20. Confirmed. Adjusting the calibration on the panel now.
The stitching on this blue one is absolutely perfect. Yeah. And the polish on the horn matches the clasp beautifully.
All right, confirm the manifest. We have the final pallet of handbags.
Confirmed. Placing the last box now.